Hello guys, my name is Chanu, SAP FICO and S4 HANA Finance Trainer. Today I would like to share you the basic information regarding SAP PP integration with other modules. So this is just like overview where the integration is happened. So with the other modules that I am going to explain right now. And if you are completely new to this channel or watching my videos first time, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. So let's move to the topic without making any further delay. So this is about integration. So SAP PP and MM module integration. So generally the SAP PP to MM module integration will be happened in these cases. So this involves movement of goods at the time of goods movement, auto goods receipt. That case, so integration will be happened with the PP and MM module, and includes the creation of a reservation for production orders or planning. That case, SAP PP to MM integration will be happen, and the rising purchase orders with the MRP run. In that case, SAP PP to MM model integration will be happen at the time of quotations and vendor selection. So in these cases, SAP PP to MM module integration will be happen. Now let's look at the FI CO perspective. So here I have specified some of the areas with the SAP FI CO to PP module integration. Let's look at that one. So updating price in material master. In this case, so FI to PP integration, SAP FI CO to PP integration will be happen. Work center assignment to cost center and production order settlement. So defining activity type in the cost center, assigning activity type to work center, cost estimation, production cost controlling. So posting accounting activities related to goods movement, material request. In these cases, SAP PP to FI CO integration will be happen. And in case of SD module, so this is used to check the availability of material for production orders, to perform MRP run requirement types, bill of material components and operations, availability check for sales order. In these cases, SAP PP to SD module integration will be happen. So in case of project system, so assigning planning activities to WBS, running material requirement planning at project level, and the procured material attached to WBS or reserve has the project stock against the particular project, the component attached to the network or planned to the plant level and are reserved as a plant stock. So this is just like PP integration with the project system. And in case of quality management, so SAP PP integration with QM, inspection lot generation as a production order is released, when GR is made, material posting to inspection stock, assignment of inspection characteristics in routing, assigning inspection work center in operation for the purpose of scheduling. So these are all integration points. So generally SAP PP module is integrated with the FI CO, MM module, SD module, QM module. So just now I all explained over here in which places so integration will be happen, and also project system. So PP to project system also integration is done, right? See, these are all important areas where integration is happened with the PP module. So thank you very much for support. This is Chanu signing off.